I think is coming to me all the way from there. It really looks like it's coming for me.
Things like this makes me sad.
You should really change your name to Giaco. I'll f you over.
It's fitting.
It's fitting.
This is it.
This is a ticket.
This is a ticket, and it's all the information we get.
Well, we can consider it, right? I mean, it's not really bad for business. Giaco, I'll f you over.
Yeah, that's how like it slips up the tongue. Take it.
I just came back from WorkbenchCon. It was so good. I met a lot of old friends and meet new ones. It's always nice to, you know, go to events like that because, well, there were a lot of people with the Maker knife, which is amazing. I've never seen actual customer with their Maker knife. I saw a lot of people that customized it. One that I really liked was from Run CNC. I think I have a picture here and another here. He made 3 versions. They're just so cool, and it's really nice to do. I mean, it's really nice to see people customizing their own Maker knife. And now that I'm back, I'm super excited and pumped for Maker Central, which is going to be in May in the UK, Birmingham. If you didn't buy tickets, I think they're still available. I actually don't know, but you should buy them now because it's going to be really interesting. A lot of people, Jimmy DeResta, Bob Claggett, Colin Furze that I never met, Laura, so many people, Ben Ueda, just to name some. Like really, I'll put a list here now. I don't remember all of them, but let me give you some updates. A lot of you guys are asking about the squatters. If you don't know, there's people living actually right behind this wall that have been here for a few months. They don't really want to go. We're starting to take some measure, and one is this air compressor here. Basically, we put this right next to the apartment, and at night we leave it like leaking a little bit. So every half an hour it goes like. I mean, if this doesn't convince them, I don't know what will. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be enough. But let me show you the office. So, yeah. The lights are in place, which is that stuff. It's actually pretty nice. Besides that, it's kind of a lot of work to put them in because you need to patch them. But they're doing a great job. They're gonna be pretty cool. So the ones all around the edges, they're pointing 45% to the wall, and then these ones are straight down. You should create kind of a nice effect. Wow, it's so warm in here. Other than that, we didn't do much. It's all working. We have 3 different zones that we can switch on and off. It's pretty neat. Another most important thing, well, the most important thing, is that we finally got the knife back from the customs, isn't it? And we are so excited because we can start shipping them. These are the founders that Daniel is checking if everything is correct or I messed up something.
So if you're number 85, this is your knife.
Ooh, fancy. So they have been all personally licked and kissed by all of us. A lot of knives here, all shipped from Italy with FedEx. And this is some of the bags. Super cool. Again, sorry a lot for the delay, but we couldn't do anything, you know, not much. What else? Oh yeah, I need to go buy the trims and the skirting for the office, because inside I want it to be like very classic, and outside the spaceship stuff. Even though I know Bob Claggett is not going to be happy that I say it, I'm going to say it anyway, because then he cannot, like he has to do it now. And we're going to make something together for the spaceship. And I'm super excited about that. So Bob, now you really have to do it because I said it, and you're going to you got it. Okay, so now I go buy the trimming and the skirting stuff. This van is pretty big-ski. It's unbelievable how much everything costs. This stuff alone was almost 400 euro. Imagine if we're not making it ourselves. It would have been like €1 billion. God. Obviously, I'm trying to get like maybe not the best, but close to the best. Because, you know, I want stuff to be durable and nice, but I wonder if with the forklift I can like put this inside. Just kidding. Yeah, I got both trims, and also I bought those for like the middle of the wall. Like it's just a line. I'll show you. Should look pretty nice. The camera makes everything easier. Whatever. Yeah, there is mine. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, not all of them actually. Oh, really? The skirting is not expanded. This is expanded. These ones are not. See, they're harder.
Wow, those are really hard.
Which, I mean, they're the same material, but this is like with less air, I guess.
Yeah.
It's more compact.
Basically cast.
It's pretty cool. Look at that guy. Yeah. And for what I know, they're the same material. It's just without air.
They're pretty high compression when they mold them.
Yeah, pretty cool. So cool.
They're super light.
Yeah.
So here's the plan. Obviously, it's gonna be painted white, as you might imagine. This is gonna go. This is the skirting, as we learned it's called. This one is gonna go up there.
Yeah. Just stretch a little bit more. Is this like middle of the room?
Yeah, and this is gonna be middle.
Oh, okay, like a panel.
Yeah, kind of thing.
All right.
Like 1.20 m, something like that.
Okay.
It should be kind of nice.
That's cool.
So we put those up and then we paint everything?
Yeah, I was thinking maybe just the first coat as a primer so the glue sticks better as well. And then the second coat is over everything.
Do we use glue this up basically?
Yeah, and you know, this is like super light things. You go like, how much can they be? Well, for everything, I paid 400 euro. the glue and those and.
No, I believe you. Like these are.
I know it's, but I mean, when I was touching it, I was like, this is waste material when you buy cool stuff. You know? This is also obviously less, you know, more density than normal.
It just
you know.
feels like a solid piece.
Yeah, it's
like
pretty cool.
super solid.
This you can pretty easily dent with a nail.
Yeah, that's why we put it up there. Whoa, it's warm in here. We're not going to be able to do it today, but I wanted to show you that I bought them. First thing, we're going to do the first coat of primer. Then we're going to glue those. I'm not going to do anything in this side because I think it's nice to have like one very like fancy side white with like black and white pictures, stuff like that, and then this kind of side that is more like industrial and like that. I think it's gonna look very cool. I really like how the lights are coming. Yeah, I'm excited. So what happened here?
Yay, ceramic stickers.
Okay, so these are the founders.
These
that
are most of the founders.
Okay.
Yes, but we have some extra boxes. We have two 21s for some reason, so we need to figure out which is the 21.
I numbered all of them, but they shouldn't have the same number. So we have to open them, see what is what, and see why I'm so stupid. That's it. But otherwise, all the other ones are kind of there.
Yep. Well, obviously we have enough knives to fulfill all the founders' orders and more than that.
Well, no, the founders are numbered like the knives.
Yes, but some of the founders ordered an extra knife
yeah,
or
okay.
some blades or,
Okay.
you know, some of these sweet guys.
Oh, the balai, the zzz. Okay, cool. So, do you want to say something?
I'm giving up on.
One thing, sorry to interrupt. I want to take a little video from the top of the shop to see how it looks from up there. Do you guys want to come for a little walk in the woods?
Yes.
Okay, one thing though, because we're going in the woods thing, and I wish I could stay serious. But no, the thing is that we don't have a bathroom now, so the bathroom is kind of in the woods. So I mean, watch your steps, I guess. I think Gabriello's spot is like behind there, so if we go up here, it's gonna be fun. Look at that agility. You can totally see you're used to catching Pokemon. It's just so much easier with the camera. Oh, shice. Oh, you just you just left this thing in my face. Okay, go.
That's why I'm holding this.
Okay, okay. What's that? Okay, you can see there's some paper there. This way, because I remember I actually used this side. Okay. Can we go high up? Watch out for wild boars.
Are there wild boars here?
Yeah, it's full. And here we are. I still can't take it all in the camera. So this section is the apartments. It's the apartments and all this, and then it continues to think like here. It's the whole shop, first floor, second floor. Here's where we park the car and everything. It's pretty cool. I would like to go high up, but kind of difficult. Yeah. So pretty romantic.
Wouldn't you say?
Everything the sun touches is ours, Siba.
Okay, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it like that. See you another day, maybe.
Bye,
maybe.
In the hand of a maker. This is a knife, a screwdriver, sandpaper, a chisel, a marker, anything you want. There's no project that doesn't need it. We just created the best way to carry it every day, everywhere. But it doesn't open bottles. If your finger is in the ring, it's like there's no locking mechanism at all. But there is. Yeah, it doesn't open bottles though. It's 100% waterproof. You can use it with any hand, in any condition. No limits, even in case of an emergency. Nope, it doesn't open bottles. It has perpendicular flat faces. A maker knows what that means. It can mark, cut, sand, shape, carve, almost anything. But it can't open a bottle. Not that you need it to.